Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the other characters as well. So let's drag and drop that characters in here. Okay, so if we move to this position right here, we will click on AI characters. Let's select the second character, okay, which is this one. Drag and drop it right here, for example. Okay, then move it down below. Let's change its name to AI character 1. Click on prefab, unpack completely, open up the animator and drag and drop this controller in there. Okay, then if we click on the first character, from that character we will copy the component and click on this one. Right here we will say paste component as new and move it up there. Then copy this other script, or you can say component, and then paste component as new right here. And then we will just simply change this waypoint. Okay, so for this character the waypoint will be 13, so drag and drop the 13 waypoint in there. And as you know that the animation and everything is already added, so we need to just simply play the game. And you can see there is the character walking. Okay, the character is walking in this direction. But as you can see, the character move speed is a little bit higher than the animation movement, so we will set this to 1.5, or let's just say 1.2. Okay, 1 will be a good value for this character movement, so make this as 1. Then in the same way we can add the third character, which is this one. So let's add this character right here, for example. Okay, here is the waypoints. So what we will do, we will drag and drop this character right there. Then move it down below, change its name to AI character 2. Click on this, click on prefab, unpack completely. Right here in the controller, drag and drop the animator of this character. Then we need to add the scripts, so let's copy the first one and paste it right here. Move it up before the animator, then let's go ahead and copy the other script. So click on copy component and right here we will say paste as new and move it up. We just need to change the waypoint. Okay, so for this one we will select this waypoint, which is right here. Let me open the waypoints. Okay, so we will add this 8 waypoint right there. That is it. Then if we play the game, click on scene view, as you can see there is the character walking. Okay, but the speed of this character is now slower, so change it to 1.2, and as you can see it looks good. So then stop the game and change this to 1.3 actually. Okay, that is it. So in this way you can add all of these 7 characters. Okay, so just go ahead and add the other 4 characters, and with this done I will see you guys in the next one.